I was going to just mention there, so AI there is beneficial across all of those, of that machine.
Hasn't really become yet AI. Yeah.
This is still machine learning piece, right?
Yeah. This is where I think, as I said before, the arrival of ChatGPT, it's generative AI. So generative is different from predictive. So we talked about deep learning or even machine learning is being predictive. So that's where it needs data to learn. It's not instant. So ChatGPT is instant, right? You sign up to it, you type, ask it to do something, and it generates something in an instant. So that's where I suppose the myth and where people are coming and saying, I want to switch on this AI into my marketing, and it's not as simple as that. We'll get to it, but we need to go through the process. We need to set up well, we need to onboard well, and we really need to have that data and analytics piece always running in the background. Yeah.
And what's the next stage?
Next stage is AI. That's where it's artificial intelligence.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So then it's superior, or probably not the way to judge it this way, but it's different then to those models you described.
So that's where decision making is at a different level. It's actually delivering our goal then. So this is where we've streamlined basically what we're doing online, whether it be online or offline. We can bring in offline data as well. And so it's basically combining machine learning and deep learning. Okay. Yeah, and predictive algorithms, and spitting it out in a way that, okay, now we know we have to spend this much on these channels to get this.
So it links the actions to an outcome.
It does. And that's where you mentioned before automation.
Yeah.
So that's really where automation comes into its own. And that's where the marketer can start to sit back and relax a little bit, because usually we find with automation and with the platforms we're using, when we start to get to that stage of AI in marketing, AI field advertising, we've usually improved outcomes by 20 to 30%.
That's significant.
It is.
Wow.
Yeah. It's very significant. Yeah.
Isn't it?
It's really exciting. But I still say the biggest opportunity comes even after that. It's when the marketer is willing to go to the next stage and not just be comfortable with 20 or 30%, when they want to really start taking their market share to a new, more competitive, more aggressive level. They start really understanding how the AI is working and really looking into the consumer insights that AI is driving.